Good day, everybody. Assalamu alaikum. Thanks for giving me a chance to say something. It's me, Kazi Khadija. I live in Brahmanbaria. I completed honors in economics under Brahmanbaria Gov College. Now I am working as an assistant English teacher in Mahbub Ahmed Foundation, Chennai, Brahmanbaria. I also a student Times English Center. I admitted Times English Center 3 months ago. I want to learn English because English is an international language. About 400 million people use English as a first language and 450 million people use English as a second language. If anybody want to improve his job position, he or she should learn English. As I am an English teacher, it is very much important to me. I always try to communicate with my students in English. I believe if they talk with me, they will improve their English. Already I have completed 12 classes in this course. Our respectful teacher name is Alamin Manna sir. He is very polite and gentle. He teaches us very well. We enjoy the class very much. After 1 month, our course will complete. Everybody pray for us to complete the course successfully. Thank you so much.